The good news, diabetes type 2 is a curable disease. So I would advise you to read the book, not only read the book, but apply it and cure your diabetes. Like I explained in my last video, now you got diabetes type 2 and what to be done. To have this diabetes type 2, in fact, you eat junk food, your insulin is producing, your pancreas is producing insulin and sent to your body for energy. Now, so many, the cell is asking for insulin because it's becoming resistant. All the cells now is blocked, is filled with fat and insulin. That's why you are starving. That's why many diabetes eat 6 to 7 meals per day. And then is asking, the cell now asking for more insulin. The pancreas produce till the pancreas is tired and is producing little insulin and all the cells has been filled with fat and insulin. Now the problem, diabetes, nearly 99 to 100% diabetes, they eat 6 to 7 meals per day. And the normal people, average people, about 85 to 90%, they eat 5 to 6 meals per day. Breakfast, snack at 10, lunch at 12, I snack at 2, I snack at 4 p.m, dinner, after dinner, snack again. So these people now they are eating, the level of blood sugar and insulin is always high throughout the day. The insulin and the sugar, level of sugar is always high throughout the day. This is what, and then now you are taking all these medicine, what it will do to your body, they will cram all these sucrose, all this sugar in all part of the cells of your body. That's why all your cells become filled with sugar and fat. And that's why, and this, when all is crammed in your body rot. And you get all these complications, which I just mentioned in my last video. Many people, lots of little people dies of starvation. But the majority of people die of overeating. And it's not an exaggeration to say that these people, they are digging their grave with their own teeth. This is what's happening. Now, how to cure the diabetes now? We have got 7 doctors in the world which does not take money. Number 1, the sun. You have 10 to 15 minutes outside, get the sun to get vitamin D. Number 2, you go and breathe oxygen, breathe outside, you go and breathe the air. This is free. Number 3, you drink water. There's no sugar in water. This is free. Number 4, you have a good sleep of 7 to 8 hours per day to remove oxidative stress. This is free. Number 5, you make some relaxation. You make some meditation just to make you relax and then remove many stress in your body. Number 6, exercise 45 to 50 minutes every day. I make barbell, you can do whatever you want exercise. This is free again. Number 7, which is the more important, intermittent fasting. You have to make fasting. I will come to that, what is fasting and all this in my next video. Many people, and this is free again. All these 7, whether you are poor, whether you are rich, everybody can make it. And then of course, you have to eat very healthy food, not junk food. When I say healthy food, I'm talking you have to remove, don't take rice, bread, any flour product, any pizza, any juice, fruit juice, any milk, all these refined grains, refined carbohydrates, all these has to be stopped. And most important, the seed oils, all these canola or whatever seed oils, all these should be kept just to light lamps. These are very dangerous and plenty of omega-6 trans fat in it. This is which I will talk on when I come to cholesterol. This we call it small dense light lipoprotein LDL. This will go and then block your arteries, and this can cause heart disease. And avoid all these margarine. This is not butter, they just paint it. You have fresh butter, good raw butter, good cheese, good nuts. This is the food you are going to eat. And then I tell you now, you eat good food, you eat meat, you eat seafood, you eat eggs. I don't eat meat, I take plenty of seafood. And then you take plenty of vegetables, except beetroot, beetroot is not good. You take all these vegetables with the grain, lentil, dals, and whatever it is. So you've got good food to eat. This is what you must eat, and avoid all these poisonous food. The way I eat, how I cured my diabetes in 3 months' time. So now actually I eat during 4 days, I eat 2 meals a day, and 3 days, 1 meal a day, which we call the OMAD. You can start, I won't tell you to run 100 kilometers, you can start 100 meters, 200 meters, slowly by slowly. On the first week, you can have lunch, breakfast and dinner. Second week, you skip breakfast, you make it lunch and dinner. And then third week, you make it 5 times two meal and 2 times 1 meal. Because now, before they were calling diabetes, no, I will come next topic. Let me finish on that thing. So you make it 5, 2, and then you continue, you make it 4 days 2 meal, and then 3 days 1 meal. Because what happened? When you are not taking these sugary food, these carbohydrate, these high carbohydrate, which is got plenty of sugar, you are taking now more protein, which is less sugar, and plenty of fat, which is little sugar. Now, when you are taking this now, so your blood sugar will go down. But to decrease your insulin, it's not only with this food, it won't decrease your insulin, because even protein, even fat, you get amino acid which convert into sugar. Now to reduce that insulin now, this is where fasting comes. You're not eating anything. So there won't be conversion of amino acid and lactase and whatever it is. So these two come together. The less carbohydrate, very low carbohydrate, and then the fasting for insulin. This is how it's going to happen. So you read the book well. I will come next video